Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my awesome, I'm scooting, scooting closer to the light, my awesome Sacred Space crate. It smells really good. I haven't looked into it. I've just got it kind of open so you can see the top. Taichi. And then, oh, we've got a beautiful March full moon calendar, or moon calendar, because it's not just full moons. Okay, we've got a turkey flying out there. Here's all the information about the moon in each zodiac sign, which is cool, one of my favorite parts of this box. A Tai Chi invocation. She's doing a series on goddesses, although I think next month it's not going to be goddesses. But I'm still looking forward to it. Ooh. Beautiful. Candle, beeswax. Mmm. Incense. Alright. We've got our little herb container, so let's see what's inside her this month. Alfalfa. Smell like, you know, animal food. Okay. Got a pretty little black bag here. Ooh. It's a coin. Oh, sorry. The triquetra on it. And we've got a beautiful lame, cool little lame bag. Ooh, hematite and aventurine? Yeah. Beautiful. Love it. Wow. Oh man. I can smell something specific in this box. I can't see it. I know that's probably a statue of Taichi, but I want to get the little side items first. Ooh, I love that. Very pretty touch. Can I loosen it without letting that go? Nope, I can't. So let's take that off and put it with this one. It's like one of those little Chinese coins. Oh, we've got some pretty pretties in here. Oh my god! I shouldn't open it. Oh, damn. Okay. I think it's some sort of money mojo bag. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna seal it back up. Hold on. I'm effing up, guys. Please. I'm so sorry for disturbing you. Oh, sorry. The back is getting broken on my camera sound. Ooh, beautiful pyrite. I hope I didn't mess that up. Ooh, so sparkly. Very nice. Love it. Very nice size. Oh, yes. Oh, calendula salve. Perfect. Very good. One of the things I have coming for you is literally my pharmacology book. Literally has in every chapter for every topic herbs that are pertinent and their uses, and a lot of them are our uses, and I want to do kind of a fun series around that. At least that's what my friends have been suggesting, so I'm hopeful about that. Mercury retrograde is killing me, guys, so I hope I'm not opening this. Oh, I was opening her face first, so I'm glad I thought about it for a second. Oh, she's beautiful. Isn't she beautiful? I love this style. Very nice. Love it. Alright, let's read this. Tyche, or Tyche, is the goddess deity of fortune, chance, providence, and fate. She's the daughter of Aphrodite and either Zeus or Hermes. She was usually honored in more favorable light as Eutychia, goddess of good fortune, luck, success, and prosperity. She was later recognized by the Romans as Fortuna, goddess of luck. Even in history, she was a very popular goddess. She had many temples in Rome itself, as well as having important cult centers in Antium, the modern Anzio, and Praeneste, the modern Palestrina, both of which were cities of Latium, the land of the Latini tribes. Her many temples in Rome and the various aspects of her worship are a reflection of the manners in which she was honored, from personal goddess overseeing the fate of the individual mother, young man, or soldier, to a goddess of the state, ensuring the fortune of the population, the luck of the emperor, or the glorious fate of the entire Roman Empire. The Emperor Trajan maybe, dedicated a temple to Fortuna, at which offerings were made to the goddess on the first day of January at the start of the new year, probably to ensure good luck and success for the coming year. This temple was dedicated to Fortuna in all of her aspects, she who turns your luck from bad to good and vice versa. Honoring her will leave you blessed, and dishonoring her is obviously not advised. As a goddess of luck, fortune, and chance, Tyche has absolute control and divine authority over luck. If a person receives too much good luck, Nemesis will provide them with bad luck to balance it. This is why we want to honor her, to keep the Nemesis at bay. This month's box has all the tools that you will need to honor Tyche, whether you place a sacred space for her as an altar or an offering table. So the statue, obviously, wearing a crown, large pendant, and a veil, which blinds her. She is known to be impartial as well as blind to justice. She holds her cornucopia with overflowing with riches, filling out and gathering at her feet. Her flowing hair and gown are exquisitely detailed, giving you a museum-quality statue for the home, hearth, and sacred space. She's cold-cast resin and finished in a bronze antique finish. She will aid you with luck, good or bad, wheel of fortune, overflowing riches, abundance, aids pregnant women, goddess of justice and fate. Prosperity Draw Mojo Bag. I'm so sorry. I opened you. I personally spelled and crafted each of these mojo bags to bring prosperity to the one who holds it. It is a good idea to keep charging it by Tyche in her sacred space when you're not using it. Carry it with you whenever you need good luck drawing in money and or general prosperity. Included in the mojo bag, green drawstring pouch represents money. Feng Shui coin. Bring in the energies of prosperity. The round shape signifies heaven and the square earth. The fronts of the coins, the yang sign, are inscribed with 4 characters, flanking the 4 sides of the opening. This is the side that should always face out. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. Whew. Tied it properly. Cinema stick, bay leaf, moss, peridot chips. I'll let you guys look at that because those are some standard prosperity items. Witch's coin. Beautiful. I love this coin. Very unique witch's coin should be a staple in your magical working. As a talisman, it will easily absorb your spells that you place within it, since it's specifically created for such. It becomes very attached to the witch whom owns it. The easiest way to spell the coin is to use candle magic. When you're burning a spell candle, place the coin under the candle so that when it burns all the way down, it is covering the coin in the spell wax. Dip the coin out of the wax, but leave the coating of the wax on the coin. Now carry your coin with you as the spell manifests. The coin should be stored in a black velvet bag when not in use to protect it from absorbing outside energies. The downside of this coin is that it will only work while being carried by the witch who spelled it. It can be very useful when making decisions when flipping as heads or tails. The tails is the triquetra and a pentacle on each of the knots. They're both for protection. That's really cool. Triquetra and aventurine and hematite bracelet. This good luck bracelet. So green aventurine is known for good luck, and hematite helps absorb negative energy. Alfalfa leaf, the bringer of prosperity. Pyrite stone, Stone of Luck to attract abundance, wealth, and prosperity. Tai Chi Money Draw Candle. So it's filled with alfalfa and 3-leaf clover. Good luck clover is actually 3 not leaf, not 4. The hand rolled by myself with intention to bring you success and prosperity in connecting with Tai Chi. I love this. This is really cool. Calendula Organic Salve. This is my favorite part. I love these. I have a plan for them. I love all this magical medicine. I grew and harvested this calendula from my own garden. I live in a tropical climate, so I have the luxury of growing most plants all season. It's full of skin healing, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Properties that make it useful in healing wounds, soothing eczema, acne, sunburn, chapped skin, and lifts, drying cracked skin, and healing rashes, included relieving diaper rash. It's also an antiseptic. It's very gentle on the skin, so most people and animals can use it safely. And then there's a disclaimer who should not use it. Prosperity Incense Sticks, Tai Chi Artwork, Moon in the Zodiac Calendar. She's not going to be laminating them anymore because they can't be recycled. So Protection Native American is the next box. And they return to the Goddess series in May. This is great. Very good. I love this box. This is Sacred Space Crate. The theme this month was Tai Chi, which was like luck and prosperity. It's very cool. I very much love it. There's a lot of good items in here that I'm going to cherish. Let me just tilt that down so you can see the other items as well. This dang thing doesn't want to stay. So thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.